This video has got 5 million views in less than 2 months, and you can see also that this video is monetized. That means that this video is earning money on YouTube. And this channel has over 1 billion views. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create those videos step by step. So make sure to watch this video till end. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys fresh new method on how to make money on YouTube without making videos. So if this is something that you're interested in, make sure to watch this video till end. And also guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, if you want to see that upcoming content on how to make money online, how to make money on YouTube, make sure to press that subscribe button. So let's talk about the channel that I have shown you guys in the beginning, and the best idea for how to make money on YouTube with this method is Fail Army. So this channel, there are tons of different ones also with fail videos, but what this channel does is they go and buy license for these fail videos and they create compilation. So I want to show you guys how you can do this legit way and make money from it. I have shown you guys in the beginning that all of these videos are monetized, and to show you guys an example, you can see right here. So this is a fail video right here. This is another one. So there are tons of different fail videos and they combine them in one video, and that is how they create their content. And people love to watch fail videos on YouTube. That is for some reason a big thing on YouTube. And if you go and sort the videos by most popular, you're going to see that there are tons of videos with over 50 million views. You can see this one, 57 million views, 42 million views, 38 million views, 22 million views. So I want to show you guys how you can go and create these type of videos. So this channel is getting from around 27 million views per month. So if you go and combine that with AdSense, they're making around $60,000 to $90,000 profit every single month from these videos. But the most important part is they're not making money just from AdSense. They're making also money from their merch. So you can see they're selling the merch, but that is a little bit different thing. So I'm going to show you guys how you can focus on making money with AdSense with this type of videos. So first of all, as I said, there are tons of different ones. You can see there are also people are away some channel that are doing exactly the same thing. But I want to show you guys how you can go and create this video, and there is a reason why I chosen Fail Army to show you guys this method. So first of all, I want to show you guys where they get their content. So they're buying a license from people that have recorded the videos. So to show you guys, if you go on Junkin Media, just go and type in this name right here. You can see in URL, and you're going to see a page like this. So at this page, what people do is they go and find videos. You can see the top news websites are coming to this website and they're buying license for the videos. So if you go and, for example, click on license videos, you're going to see that Fail Army is actually using them. So I want to show you guys how you can go and use this website. So first of all, what you want to do is, here you can see these are viral videos this week. So it isn't just in fail niche, but if you go at the end of the page, you're going to see there are cat videos, trending searches, cat videos, bike, fail, outdoor, technology, home. So if you go and click on fail, for example, you're going to see all of these failed videos which you can go and buy a license for and reuse them on your YouTube channel legally, and you're never going to get copyright strike because you have bought the license for this video. So what is really important about this is it can be a little bit costly because these videos are not cheap. So it can be really costly if you're starting this YouTube channel. So I really want to tell you that because they're buying, as I said, this channel is buying all of their videos from this website. So it can cost some money to get started with creating this content. Also, if you want, for example, if you go and search cat videos, you're going to see that cat videos are also big niche on YouTube. So you can also do this method and also monetize these videos with AdSense, but also you need to create a compilation, as I said. So these channels are also doing it. You can see there are tons of videos, tons of different compilation, funny compilation cat videos. You can see, for example, this one has 105 million views in 3 years. That is a lot of money. That is over $300,000 in AdSense money just from that video. So what you can do also is you can go and, for example, click on trending searches. So you can see right here cats, and you're going to find only funny cat videos. So you can go and create a compilation of those videos. So how you can go and create a compilation from these videos? For example, you want to buy, for example, let's say five these videos, and once you download them, you want to go and, for example, you can go and use OBS Studio to edit these videos. So you want to create one video from these 5 videos. And why I recommend you guys OBS Studio, the reason why is this software is free to use. I'm actually using Camtasia Studio, but it costs some money per year to use that software. So you can do exactly the same thing with OBS Studio. Just go and create from those, for example, 5 or 10 videos, failed videos, create one video and upload it on YouTube. I have shown you guys in the beginning that these type of videos are monetized, so you don't need to worry about getting demonetized, guys. So that is how you can go and make money in a different niche, but as I said, it does require some investment, so that is really important to know, guys. And also, if you want to see future videos on how to make money online, how to make money on YouTube, I highly recommend you guys to press that subscribe button. Thank you guys for